broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fights o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets sparkled, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, ladies. You did a fine job out there. You looked excellent. Now we're waiting to get the rest of the team together.